HAENGBOKHAE. HAENGBOKHAE. What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to learn about the word HAENGBOKHAE. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 316. HAENGBOKHAE. Again, it's HAENGBOKHAE. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is hang, second syllable is bok, and third syllable is he. Pronounce it with me. HAENGBOKHAE. HAENGBOKHAE. The meaning of the word HAENGBOKHAE is happy, or could also be used to say I'm happy. So this is used to express your emotion, which is happy. Again, HAENGBOKHAE means happy. How do you write HAENGBOKHAE in Hangul? This is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable hang, we need to draw first a hiu character, followed by an e character, followed by an ian character. For the second syllable bok, we need to draw first a biup character, followed by an o character, followed by a giok character. And then for the last syllable he, we need to draw first a hiu character, followed by an e character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables to form the hangul of the word HAENGBOKHAE. Again, that's three syllables for HAENGBOKHAE. And with that, you just learned HAENGBOKHAE. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 306 to 315. But don't forget our word for today, word number 316, HAENGBOKHAE, which means I'm happy. The first word for our review is word number 315, it's yeoboseyo, which means pretty. Next word is bisayo, which means expensive. Next word is 식당, which means restaurant. Next word is 은행, which means bank. Next word is 받다. This is a verb which means to receive. Next word is 부탁합니다, which means please do me a favor. Next word is Saranghae, which means strange or weird. Next word for our review is 재미있어요, which means interesting or fun. Next word is 똑똑하다, which means to be smart. And the last word for our review is 싫어해, which means I hate it. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.